Hey guys, Jasur is here from Shanghai Silk Road International Trading Company, and in this series of questions and answers I will be talking about should I be present when registering a company in China, so in 2019. So unfortunately yes, because I know comparatively speaking some countries they don't need physical presence like in US or UK. You can just register a company from distance. But in mainland China, you have to be present while filing your application. Okay, we can start the general application with checking company names from distance. You can be outside China and we can help you to check company names, etc. And after that, once your company name is approved, you will have to travel to China. Okay. In our case, we always suggest Shanghai because we have some advantages here. One of the advantages is office rent, which is really cheap compared to other places of China, because we have a building here and office rent prices are considerably cheaper compared to other parts of China. So that's why we prefer Shanghai. But if you insist or if you want to register your company in other cities for different reasons, we can help you with that too. But Shanghai is our choice, is our place of registration mainly. Okay, we can suggest that. So you have to be present, okay, one time at least during company registration. That is filing your application, and then right after that you can wait for 1 week or 2 weeks. Once the general license is out, you will have to go to the bank, okay, to open your bank account. So this option one. Option two is you can come one time, file your application and go back, okay? And then once everything is approved, your business license is out, you can come for the second time and do the corporate bank account and plus apply for your visa, okay, for your work visa, all right, as a company director. So this is the case here. If anybody, if any agency, or if any person even promises you that they can do this company registration and apply for work visa on your behalf, do not trust them, okay? Because based on current laws and regulations and requirements, you have to be present. Okay, there's no other way around. Okay, there's no exception to this. So if anybody claims that they can help you without you being present, they are simply lying to you. Okay, don't trust them. So if you have any questions, please contact us. If you don't have WeChat, please download and use your WeChat to add a contact, and then scan these QR codes. Okay, the first one is individual, the second one is our official page on WeChat. You can follow for updates, etc., on business laws and starting a business in China, policies and requirements. And you can also send us an email or give us a call anytime with your questions. All right, thank you.